Hey guys, it's your girl Cindy. So on today's episode, I want us to be talking about Crispdal's birthday yesterday. We all know that yesterday was Crispdal's birthday, Purple Speedy's boyfriend. More, I saw the gift Purple Speedy gave this man, and I opened my mouth. I was like, "Get yourself an intentional woman." See, women get money. Na man will behave well, we go they give our money. I so much appreciate women that that always gift their man, especially on their big day like this. So kudos to Purple Speed. They should really try. iPhone 15, 26 sneakers, PS5. What again? A lot of gifts. A lot of gifts. So I need you guys to watch the video and drop what? An emoji, purple emoji. Let us appreciate Purple Speedy. Okay? Nwanne godi nwoke. Hey, guy, you too fine. Nenu birthday boy. Chai. This is when he was entering, a lot of friends. Papa was there. See him blushing. Get yourself an intentional woman. I say that again. See gift, see money. See sneakers, no be small money. iPhone 15. See money now. Chai. Love is sweet too when you're with the right person. I so much love this couple. I love them so much. Then they give me joy. With them, I have hope that love exists. Love still exists. See iPhone now. See iPhone 15 Pro Max. Chai. See love. Love is sweet too.